Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 187 to 188 in Log for 5 year journey, and I hope you are doing well. So today was a great day. I woke up and do some affirmations, meditation, and now I'm walking to there. So today was a great day. The main problem was I relapsed, and the thing is it's the carving, the problem, and the main problem is me. And because I'm doing that shit, and I really want to say that I am for my own problem. Like, I'm doing all thing, and the main thing is the problems are coming from me is by doing me. All things that I'm doing is the thing all doing by me. I mean that I am responsible for my own problems and my relapse and the thing, the shit, everything, and I am responsible for it. No one is saying me to do that. Nothing is carving me. Everything that I am doing is by me. So I need to change myself, and I will do it. And the relapse is like after 7 days, and pretty thing, but not good. So hope you are doing well, and blog will come. The blog is because I have some exam, and new blogs are coming soon with new thing. And now plan is to have a goal, and the goal I will tell you soon, and at the end I will and I do.